the biggest pain point of them all, and it seems that Samsung tries to address and fixes exactly that with the arrival of the new Galaxy Watch 6.
However, as with most things in life, nothing is really straightforward. Samsung did take our feedback on board. Samsung will feature what we asked for, but not to the extent of what we need. Okay, I hear you. Let's look at a glass of water when it's half full rather than half empty.
Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will have a bigger battery, and yes, so far so good. This has just been certified in South Korea, and we're talking about the two basic models, the 40mm and the 44mm version.
Let's have a look, shall we? The current Galaxy Watch 5 40mm version has a current capacity of 284 and a rated capacity of 276 mAh. In case you did not know, the rated battery capacity expresses the average amount of current it releases over a period of time under normal use. So, the Galaxy Watch 6 40mm has an advertised capacity of 300. The rated capacity is 295. So, we have an increase of 20 mAh.
The Galaxy Watch 6 44mm version has an advertised capacity of 425 mAh. The rated capacity is 412, whereby the equivalent Galaxy Watch 5 has a typical capacity of 410 and a rated capacity of 397, which means the Galaxy Watch 6 44mm version has an increase of 15 mAh. Okay, sounds confusing? Well, in short, the battery has a slight increase, which will benefit all of us.
Okay, one more thing. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro may come with a bigger battery as well. We're talking about a capacity of 610 up from 590. Not sure how much bigger the watch will get.
All in all, we have an increase of 20 mAh as an average for each Galaxy 6 version. As always, let me know your thoughts below.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.